Discover digitalization with the DESMA SmartConnect product line. SmartRemain supports the planning and preparation of maintenance tasks of registered DESMA machines at SmartConnect. A traffic light function indicates the next maintenance work to be carried out and recommends the measures to be taken via an operating hour or calendar-dependent trigger function. The user receives this information directly on his end device or desktop computer with SmartConnect access and is shown on a DRC 2020 and DRC 2030 operating panels. This allows maintenance to be better planned during the production process and spare and wear parts to be ordered in time. All pending maintenance work can be clearly displayed for the entire machine park or the individual machine. In this example, the software announces a scheduled filter change. Additional information, such as the exact positioning of the filter, maintenance instructions for removal and installation, and the required tool are displayed. Further information is provided by SmartPage. SmartPage provides a complete machine documentation and allows direct access to electrical and hydraulic circuit diagrams, operating instructions, installation plans, and other protocols. This significantly minimizes search times for required documents and optimizes the production process. With all information provided by SmartRemain and SmartPage, the plant maintenance can be carried out professionally. The maintenance carried out is recorded and confirmed. This resets the corresponding operating hours counter, resumes production, and the traffic light display returns to green. The used spare part can be conveniently reordered immediately via the SmartShop. All spare parts are stored in the SmartShop as 2D and 3D drawings and can be called up in detail. The stored spare parts catalogs are machine or system related, which makes it much easier to identify spare parts. SmartTraining offers a choice of different training topics on an e-learning platform. In addition to general information on elastomer process technology, process optimization, and increased efficiency, there are numerous other free training and information opportunities. The step-by-step training modules can be carried out individually at any time and from any location. Knowledge tests at the end of the training programs deepen what has been learned, and after passing the examination, all participants receive a corresponding certificate. SmartConnect for you. Your step into the digitalized world with DESMA.